Marching all to battle. In our thundering herd, we feel a lot like cattle. Like a pounding beat, our aching feet are easy to ignore.
Hey, think of instead a girl worth fighting for.
Huh?
You heard what he said, a girl worth fighting for.
I want her paler than the moon, with eyes that shine like stars. My girl will marvel at my strength, adore my battle scars.
I couldn't care less what she wears or what she looks like. It all depends on what she cooks like beef, pork, chicken.
Local, local girls think I am quite the charmer.
And you know we ladies love a man in armor.
You can guess what we have missed the most since we went off to war.
What do we want?
A girl we're fighting for.
My girl will think I have no balls.
Why, you're a major fight.
How about a girl who's got a brain, who always speaks her mind?
My manly ways and true praise are sure to draw her.
He thinks he's such a lady killer.
That hoes unlike any other.
The only girl who loved him is his mother. But when we come home in victory, the line up at the door.
What do we want?
A girl we're fighting for.
Wish that I had
A girl we're fighting for. A girl worth fighting for.
halt.
Mga makatuwa mali yan, meron ba? Kalau pa.